We're going to create a design system for the Chill grocery brand. The marketing department needs to run a multi-channel campaign to advertise various services, and as such, they need a large amount of campaign materials. To complete this project, we were provided with a folder containing a range of assets. You can download this folder by clicking the link in the description. Alright, so let's check this out. We've got fonts, assets, including lifestyle images for different services, a safe zone for meta vertical ads, as well as a logo. And we also got a few sample data sets. Last but not least, we've got a brief. This is going to be instrumental in creating our design system. Please note, we're using a simplified brief for this training to make it easier to spot key information. When you create a design system in Graphics Studio, you can use a certain workflow to speed things up. Here, I'm going to approach this brief with that workflow in mind. Okay, so let's go over the brief and see if we've got everything we need. First off, I'm going to need to create a brand kit. Do I have the info that I need for that? Yes, I've got different colors, fonts, a logo, as well as paragraph styles. Next, I'm going to create and organize different designs in Graphics Studio. We call them layouts. So we're going to need to check this out. Do we know about the channels? Yes, that's going to be OOH, social ads, and display ads. Now, let's see how many layouts we're going to need to create, as well as their dimensions. We've got 3 for OOH, 3 for socials, and 4 for display. Then, we'll need to know what format they're going to be in. For OOH, we've got print and video. For socials, that's going to be video only. And for display, images. For the videos, do we have any info on the type of animations we need? In this case, no. So we'll design them ourselves. When it comes to designing, do we have any design specs? And if so, what type? We've got both units, here millimeters and percentages, as well as bleed and alignments. Great, that's going to make it very easy to design. Now, is there any other specific info for the designs? Yes, we've got a safe zone for a vertical layout. And do we have access to it? Again, yes, we have it in a folder, so we'll be able to use it later. Last but not least, what kind of variations are we looking at? This is extremely important, and that's the reason we're creating a design system. So to figure this out, we're going to compare what kind of deliverables we're expected to provide. So we've got 4 services. Each uses a particular background color. The lifestyle changes, so does the headline, the CTA, as well as the QR code and the disclaimer at the bottom. To sum up, here's the type of variations we'll need: color, image, text, and QR code. Okay, well, we've got everything we need right now, so let's get set up.